Welcome guys, in this video we're gonna open and take a look of this nano lapping plate from Nano Hone. Alright, yeah, nothing else in the package. I just finished using this also from Nano Hone. This is a 400 grit, and I was always curious to get in this one. I have my Atoma, I have my Sharpening, but you know, there's never enough things for us sharpeners. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, wow. Aggressive indeed. So this video is not gonna be that long. I'm just gonna explain something real quick. At least something that I noticed. In my Atoma, my 140, I used this already a few months already. Not a few months, actually, almost a year. So when you lapping a whetstone, in some point, because it doesn't have any pattern on it, the stone is just gonna suck. You see, it's gonna suck into the plate. You see, and it is not even flat, as you can tell. So I mean, it does the job. It's a great lapping plate. But for me, it's annoying the fact that I'm just working on it, and some point it's just too hard to work on it, and it bothers me. Now the Sharpening, it does beautiful job on it. I've been using obviously already a few months, but I want to have something else, because my plan is to have something with patterns for like something more aggressive. Obviously depends on the grits, but for that I'm gonna use this one right here. I mean, it's just brand new, and I'm gonna use the Sharpening for like the 1000 grits or more. Well, they're both the same, kind of like the same weight. This one is designed in USA and made in Japan. All right, you know what, I like it anyways. Again, I think it's a little bit aggressive, and maybe also because of the pattern. You know, in any lapping plate, what cuts is not just the diamonds, but it's the patterns, right? In here it has no pattern, so it doesn't cut that fast. But this one and the Sharpening works even faster. So. Oh wow, look how fast is this thing. Oh my god. Yeah, that's it. I don't need to do anything else. So happy with this lapping plate. It costs around 200, but listen, they're all great, but I suggest for you guys to have at least 2 of them. Something that you could be a little bit aggressive. You know, you see it, this is the 400 grit, but this one I'm planning to use for just the 1000 or the 2000 grit stones or above. So this one is my go-to. This one is the one that I carry everywhere. But yeah, I love this one. You can actually feel it. It's rough. It's rough. Okay, I like it. I love it. Oh my god, there you go. You see how flat it is that it moves. Wow, beautiful. All right. Well, something else to consider. I'm not telling you guys, and now I will never will tell you what to do with your money. You want to buy the things that I post in my videos? Go for it. If not, it's up to you. This is just my humble opinion. Thank you guys for watching. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So fast. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.